Owning the entire U.S. stock market has been one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies in history, creating long-term wealth for millions of investors. No stress, no stock picking, no guessing, no chasing trends. Just broad exposure to the strength and innovation of the American market. Today, we're breaking down VTI, one of the most popular ETFs in the world, and why many investors consider it the foundation of a long-term portfolio. Part 1. What is VTI? VTI is a passive ETF that tracks the CRSP US Total Market Index. In simple terms, VTI gives you exposure to the entire US stock market, large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies, all in one fund. Instead of betting on just the S&P 500, VTI goes broader. It owns nearly every publicly traded US company. Part 2. Key characteristics. VTI stands for the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, and it's built for simplicity, scale, and long-term growth. As of this video, it manages over $584 billion in assets, making it one of the largest and most liquid ETFs in the world. It offers an extremely low expense ratio of just 0.03%, helping investors keep more of their returns over time. VTI holds more than 3,500 companies across a wide range of sectors, providing exposure to large, mid, and small-cap stocks. Its dividend yield typically ranges between 1% and 1.5%, adding modest income alongside growth. VTI blends both growth and value across the entire U.S. market, making it a true core portfolio building block. Part 3. Top holdings. Because VTI is market cap weighted, its largest holdings are the biggest and most influential companies in the United States. Top positions include Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta platforms. However, unlike the S&P 500, VTI also includes thousands of mid and small-cap companies, giving you exposure to emerging businesses that could become tomorrow's market leaders. You're not just investing in today's giants. You're positioning yourself for the next generation of American market growth. Part 4. Performance. Historically, VTI has closely tracked the performance of the S&P 500, while also capturing additional upside from its exposure to mid and small-cap companies. Since its inception in 2001, VTI has delivered long-term annualized returns of approximately 9.25%, and in the past 3 years alone, it has gained roughly 18 to 20%, reflecting the strength of the broader U.S. market. Its performance aligns closely with the overall growth of the U.S. economy and corporate earnings. Like all equity ETFs, VTI experiences market downturns and volatility in the short term. However, over long periods, the U.S. stock market has historically trended upward. VTI essentially mirrors the performance of American business as a whole. Part 5. Why invest in VTI? VTI is ideal for investors who believe in the long-term strength of the U.S. stock market and prefer owning the entire market rather than trying to pick individual winners. It's built for those who value a low-cost, diversified, set-and-forget strategy, and who have the patience to let compounding work over decades. If you're looking for one ETF that captures broad U.S. growth without unnecessary complexity, VTI is often considered the ultimate foundation for a long-term portfolio. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing just $100 per week into VTI for 30 years, earning its historical average return of around 9.25% since inception. Your portfolio could grow to over $686,000. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.